Section 4 is looking on compositions of transformations. So if you have your yellow sheet with all the transformation rules on it, we're gonna use that in this lesson. And essentially what compositions is just doing more than one transformation. So we're gonna look at a specific type of composition of transformations called a glide reflection, and then we will try and draw a couple as well in this section. So first, understanding composition, like what I said, it's two or more transformations applied to a figure. And then a specific type is a glide reflection. It's just a composition of a translation followed by a reflection. So it's a specific type of composition. I'm not going to ask you to graph these. I'm just going to ask that you write down the points again. So we're going to take one at a time. We're going to do the translation first along the vector 0, 4, and then we will do the reflection in the y-axis. So j prime, we're going to take 0, 4, and we're essentially just going to add that on to j. So I need to come up with j prime, k prime, and l prime, adding on 0, 4. So I'm going to get 6, 3. K prime is 10, 2. And then L prime is going to be 5, 1. After you do the translation, then you're going to do the reflection. And to signal that it's now a second transformation, we're going to call it J double prime. So across the y-axis, you can look on your sheet, XY will change the X value on it. So 6, 3 now is going to change and become -6, 3. K double prime will be -10, 2. And L double prime will be -5, 1. So really the answer is the part in green, but in order to get to green, you got to also do the purple part to get there. We don't have to do just glide reflections. We can do other composition of transformations. So looking at 2B, that one asks for a rotation, then a translation. So we'll look at that one as well. We'll do the 180-degree rotation first, and then the translation. And we'll do all 3 points again. So I want A prime, B prime, and C prime. Remember, a rotation at 180 degrees about the origin, that's going to just change the signs on all of them. So -6, -2 is going to be 6, 2. B prime will be 5, 5. And then C prime will be 2, 1. Once you have that, then we can do our translation. A double prime, B double prime, and C double prime now. A double prime, I'm going to add -2 to 6. That's going to get me 4 and 6. B double prime is going to come out to 3, 9. And then C double prime is going to be 0, 5 when I add the vector on to those points. That's really all there is to it when we're talking about a composition of transformations.